Does Facebook Market work? Information's coming up. Hi guys, it's Kevin J. Pino. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I like to talk about affiliate marketing and flipping products and product reviews. Why am I filming like this? Because I wanted to get you some content, and I'm out walking with my son. He is 2 years old and he's in the carriage right now. But that being said, what I wanted to tell you about was, hi bud, does Facebook Market work? Absolutely. Why is it not working for you? If you haven't tried it, we can dive into that. But from my experience, it's been good so far. I've sold anything from $10 up to my largest selling thing has been $11,500. You can virtually sell anything here. The secret to it is, really, the secret to it is yard sale groups. What I'll do, typically, depending on what the actual item is I'm selling, I'll check the price on eBay. I'll go to the eBay app, look under sold items, get a general idea of what it's selling for. If the price is consistent, I'll list it for that price on Facebook Market. And usually it's a better deal for them if it's the same price because they don't have to pay for shipping. That's why you would be able to sell it a little bit easier on Facebook Market. If it's inconsistent, I'll sell it for a smaller price because, again, I don't have to pay any fees and I don't have to pay shipping costs. So back to the group ideas. You can list anything on your page and get free traffic from anyone that knows you, but by joining yard sale groups, you can get in front of a larger audience. Now you can list up to 10 places per week and then relist. Now if you have a small following on your page, you might want to try going into some groups. My strategy is to use groups in my local area that are 10,000 plus people in them. I start with those. I start with the highest group listing there, and I just go down. The only time I will not list at one is if it's a large group that's kind of far away, or if there's kind of duplication or something along those lines. I usually want to list your stuff in higher income areas if you can, but anywhere you can that has more than 10,000, because you get in front of 10 places that have 10,000, you're getting in front of 100,000 people for free. Great strategy, all right? How much do you have to pay to get in front of 100,000 people on any other service? Probably a lot of money, all right? So it's a simple strategy. You can sell anything. You want to get good pictures, a good description, check the price on eBay if you can to have a cross-reference, and check the price of what it is new, and estimate, see what the value is, something somewhere between new, used, and what it goes for on eBay. And then you want to, I lost my train of thought. Oh, how you doing? Good. Hey. You want to put tags in and put the brand, if you can, in your local area, and then list it. And that's it, and wait for things to come in. You want to follow up immediately through Messenger to anyone that hits you up. And what I like to do is kind of rope them in a little bit easier, because usually the first thing people ask is it available? And then you click yes, and then you never hear from them again. What I like to do is I say, yes, it's available, and I can sell it to you right now or make an appointment right now. And if it's something that's been sitting and they make me a kind of a lower offer, I'll definitely push for I'll push for them to, yes, I'll take that price, but you have to come right now. I'm only going to be home for an hour or whatever. I can meet you here within the hour. And if they don't respond, they don't respond. But most of the time, they'll go for it. Okay? If you like today's content, hit the subscribe button for future updates and information on how to put some more money in your pocket.